Stella! You need to see this.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm preparing for Blanche's birthday.
Is she here?
Yeah, she's up there watching TV.
Hey, Stanley. What do I think about Stanley?
Whatever you're doing, stop it.
What is that?
Just look at it.
Okay, Stanley, I don't have time for this, but please explain to me why a binder with the word confidential is on my kitchen counter.
Okay, just give me a chance to explain, okay? It looks like your sister has been lying to you all along. She's been walking and texting, for God's sake, Stella. And she's been using her phone in a no-phone zone. I know something was up with your sister.
This again. I don't understand. Where did all these pictures and files come from?
That's not important, Stella. What is important is your sister is lying to you and she cannot stay here with us anymore.
No, Stanley, that's ridiculous. Blanche would never lie
Stella,
about... Yes?
did you make me a cup of tea?
Of course, just give me a sec.
What's up? You look tense.
Oh, it's nothing really. It's just a lot going on for the party, you know.
Thank you so much for doing this. It's perfect.
It's really nothing. You go ahead get back to our show.
Do you need help?
No, that's just okay.
Alright, thanks. You're the best.
Hey, when's your episode over? I need to watch a game later.
Soon, just a couple of minutes. Okay, something's up. You could cut the tension with a knife in that room. Stanley must have told Stella something that she doesn't want me to know. Could it be about me? No, can't. Right?
Seriously, Stanley, Blanche would never lie to me. She's had a rough couple of weeks, alright? And she hasn't moved on from her last boyfriend yet, and besides, she told me she's just too smart for school.
Oh, seriously, Stella, get your shit together. Like, look, how do you explain the pictures? The evidence is right here.
This could be anyone, you know, you don't even see her face in this one. Could we please take this another time, Stanley?
No, this can't wait, Stella. This is very important. Walking and texting is a federal crime.
Stanley, just help me fan these cookies.
I don't know why Stella doesn't accept the fact. I mean, the evidence is right in front of her. She's just so gullible to Blanche's lies. Are you even listening to me, Stella?
Yeah, but just help me for a sec.
Okay, fine. What are you making?
Cookies. It's Grandma's recipe.
Yeah, mate, it smells great. Can I have one?
No, leave those for Mitch.
Mitch? Okay, I don't think it's gonna come.
What do you mean?
Look, I showed her the file and I don't think he's gonna be that keen on dating a walking texter.
No, Blanche she was so happy about meeting him, and she thought they would get married.
Yeah, she's delusional.
No, Blanche is going to be so devastated.
Oh, I mean, like, look, they're probably not completely over just yet, but they're certainly not gonna get married. He's just more after circumstances. Okay, now seriously, Blanche, may I please use my TV? The game is gonna be on any minute.
Soon, just 1 minute left.
It's been a minute for like half an hour. Every single time.
Since Blanche quit school, it would be difficult for her to find a job.
Yeah, I mean, like, she's certainly not staying here anymore. I already bought a bus card for her. You know that, right?
Okay, firstly, she already have a bus card. And secondly, she's not leaving. She's not Stanley.
Yes, she is, Stella. Period. Like, I will carry her on the bus if I have to. Okay, couch potato. Here, give me the remote. The game's already on.
Sorry. Oh, this episode was so great. The suspense. Oh, can't wait until next week.
Now. I seriously don't know what to do. Blanche cannot leave. She doesn't have anything out there.
Seriously, what's up with you? You were like this earlier.
It's nothing, I promise. I'm just stressed for the party.
You're lying. Something has happened.
Stella! You need to look at it. See this. Stella!
Stanley?
You need to see this.
Wow!
Just look at this.
What is that, Stanley?
Just look at it. And she's also been walking and texting Stanley. I knew something was wrong with it.
Please explain why a calendar lie? Blanche would never lie to me. Give me shit on. Jag kommer inte ihåg vad jag skulle säga.
Are you even listening to me, Blanche?
Yeah, but just help me for a second.
Walking and texting is a federal crime. No, this can't wait. This is very important, Stanley.
Stanley, just...
Well, she's certainly not staying here anymore after Tuesday. You know that, right? I already bought a bus card for her. So she's not.
I seriously don't know what to do. Ja, det kommer ihåg.